This is number 7 from your practice test. We have 3/5 to the x equals 7 to the 1 minus x, and we're solving for x. You can use either log or natural log for this problem. Really, you can use either for any problem. It's just helpful to use ln if you have an e in the problem. I'm going to go ahead and use log base 10 for this problem. Throwing a log at it, we need to do that to both sides, and that lets us bring down our exponents. Once our exponents, once we've brought them down, we're going to distribute our log of 7 into our parentheses. And now we have our two x terms, but they're on opposite sides of the equation. We want to bring these to the same side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and add x log of 7 to both sides. Make sure you're being very precise with your algebra. Some of you are having a lot of sign errors, and it's just because you're not showing your work. I think you wouldn't have those errors if you were showing every step. So bringing that x log of 7 over gives us our x's on one side and our constants on the other. The last thing we need to do is separate out those x's, and we do that by factoring. So I'm going to factor out an x. So my x is factored out. My last step is going to be to divide, and I'm going to get our x all by itself, I'm going to divide by what we have in parentheses there. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. I'll write out the next step on the next slide. So pause the video and get x all by itself. Okay, so I divided both sides to get x by itself, and then our final step here is to do any combining. Remember, we want all of our solutions to look like this. Log of something over log of something. On the top, we just have that 7. On the bottom, plus means multiply. So we're going to multiply 3/5 with 7, and it's 7 over 1. So 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 1 is 5. So there's our exact answer. Our approximate answer, when we put that in our calculator, is 1.3560. And that's your final answer.